Hello everyone, welcome to this course. In today's video, we would like to talk about ASCII. It stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. And this is a numerical representation of characters, including letters, digits, symbols that are used in computer. For example, a numerical representation of letter capital A is 65. If it's a small a, it's 97, for example. For number 1, the numerical representation is 49, okay? So today we would like to learn how to get and how to obtain these numerical representations, okay? To do that, I am presenting you an example here. So here is a message being shown to the user saying that enter a character to find its ASCII code. Then whatever the user is going to enter, we're going to assign it to this variable called char. And then in order to understand what the numerical representation of the input of the user is, we're going to use ORD function. So in order to use ORD function, we type down the ORD, and in parentheses, we type down the name of our variable. And in this case, it is char, okay? And then simply I use the print function. I type down this message, the ASCII code of, and then the type of and then the name of the variable, and then is message, and then we use the ORD function, and in parentheses I put down the name of char. So let me run the code once. When I run the code, first of all, we expect to see a message from the program that asks us to enter a character to find its numerical representation. For example, here you see enter a character to find its ASCII code. So now I enter capital A, and when I enter, it says the code of A is 65, as we mentioned here. If I type down, for example, capital B, it says it is 66. If I type down, for example, small a, it is going to give us 97. So this is how we can use the ORD function in order to find the numerical representation of characters. Thank you for watching.